Right then, this is definitely going to be a different video. I always say that, but this definitely will be, because you might have seen it on our channel. So, bags are in the back, just waiting for a certain YouTuber to arrive. So, when Danny gets here, I'm going to say this while he's not here so you can laugh. He's a bit of a weirdo, which some of his fans probably already know that, but got a bit of a thing about being a passenger in other people's cars. So if you see him driving my car, that's because he's a weirdo, and yeah, he is. But anyway, so he did a video a couple of months ago, maybe 3 months ago, something like that. I don't know when it came out. He got invited to go to Silverstone Rally School, and then we were speaking to them. He said he had that much of a laugh that we should all do it. So me, Scott, Dylan, and Danny are all going to do the morning's tuition at Silverstone Rally School, and then we're going to do our rally licenses, competition license. So see what happens. We're going to have something to eat first. We're going to wake up early and get in there and see how things go. I hope this camera's brighter than it looks on here. Scott's here if you can't see him. Hello! So it's not that Silverstone we're going to. Yep.
I don't know where Dylan's gone.
What is happening inside these buildings? F1 stuff, obviously. Donaldson filters.
So don't turn into Aston Martin F1 like I did last time.
No, just after. So ignore Aston Martin. This entrance looks better anyway.
It's more us, this, isn't it?
Yeah.
Let's look at the Miller's sign up.
Yeah, it's free advertising.
Maybe they're sponsored by him or something.
Maybe now. Training champions, 1982. Cars. Take this on stage.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, our carriage awaits.
No, Carl's here.
Who's Carl?
Carl Johnson, racing with him in the MR2s.
Alright, what does he work here?
Yeah. They've definitely pulled him in, especially for us. Some by ears, I think.
Is it?
Yeah.
So handbrake turns, okay, so that's going to be fun, and power sliding, heavy braking, road positioning, how to use the steering wheel, which is a good one, turns left and right of course, if you know that, but other things as well. So yeah, handbrake turns, pretty much turn, clutch, handbrake.
That actually makes sense, because as men, we know that nothing turns a 17-year-old girl on more than a well-executed handbrake turn.
Not much to it really, that's a simple way to do it, so... Right,
Looks like it's my turn first.
Not bad. You alright there?
At least the...
So I don't know what Dylan was saying about me when I were out, but he stalled it twice. I never stalled it. Going quite slow.
This is Dylan, who did a week's ice rally driving course.
Scott, your turn.
Yeah, fucking hot windows are mucky now.
Wait till it gets out.
No pressure, Scott.
None at all. Don't know how much footage we're getting, but we're all having a good time. Scott's doing pretty good already. We'll see what it looks like on board. I think Scott has broken the car.
It's the second time today you've broken it.
Yeah. Scott every time. These are meant to be the cars to have. Micros.
Second gear's gone.
Second gear's gone?
Yeah.
Yes. We prayed and the micro arrived.
You guys went so hard that I have to downgrade things to a micro.
Yeah. I think it's an upgrade. Be careful, Danny. She's got about 70 ponies. Yes. Oh! So this is kind of like my assessment, so we'll talk about that when I've got out of the car. I didn't do anything any different there.
All set.
Oh, it's happening here, it's like zoomed in. What's happened? That were hard work. See what Dylan's doing next. So just had to go out in the four-wheel drive Subaru. I don't know if you could hear what I was saying before, but this is like part of his assessment, so we'll have a look at what that entails when we go inside classroom, but we've sort of had to change things around a bit, keep killing cars. It's not ideal.
Speak louder,
Why?
because I can't hear you.
Danny says they can't hear me. I'm not feeling the best today for some reason. I'm not normally ill, but not feeling good today.
You spent a night with him, that's why.
Yeah, Scott rubbing his leggy on me. But yeah, four-wheel drive, much more difficult to drive, I'd say. What it amazing, Dylan?
It's good this.
Were you Colin McRae?
Yeah, should we get one?
Yes.
We'll just get quattro or something.
Yeah, exactly.
Just get a quattro.
Yeah, anything with four-wheel drive.
End of the catalogue.
Danny's turn next. Scott's on blower, pretending to be in business. Oh, it's filthy like. So we may have an incident. Oh dear. If there's no 360 footage, this is why we haven't found it. How many times has it been run over?
12.
At least 12. To grab it.
Yeah,
Oh, yes.
sorry, right.
It's alright, you didn't do it on purpose, did you? Yes. We're painting these yellow. I told him to paint them yellow. Scott's turn now. What do you think?
Car was mega.
Yeah?
It's proper good, that car.
You've just got to like keep sewing at
Just
wheel.
went too
haven't
fast.
you? Yeah, too fast for camera. Definitely killed it.
Oh no.
Not a good fettle. So what do you reckon then? 4-wheel drive for the win, Danny?
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah.
Likes it, yeah.
So this is the next part of what we're doing here. So this comes through post. Your motorsport journey starts here. Yeah. So fill this in, do some questions, away we go.
It's the first page. So the first page obviously can't fill the questions.
Can I not?
The
So,
first page
yeah.
is got your flags. Make 5 on safety. Okay, it's A,
Big
B,
test.
C.
A few moments later.
We all passed.
This is the
Yay.